morning, Jake. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, pretty well. Woke up a bit early, though.
Early mornings aren't too bad when breakfast is waiting.
True. What are you thinking of having today?
I'm leaning towards something light, maybe toast and eggs.
Light. That's surprising. You're usually the pancakes queen.
Don't tempt me. Pancakes sound amazing.
Then make them. We have enough flour, right?
I think so, but I'll check the cabinet.
I can handle the coffee while you check.
Perfect. You always make it better than I do.
Years of practice. Coffee making is an art.
More like a survival skill.
Fair point.
Okay, we do have flour, but we're low on syrup.
Low or completely out?
Out. Totally out.
Breakfast without syrup feels illegal.
It's still legal if I add fruit.
Strawberries?
Yep, fresh ones.
That works. Want me to slice them?
Yes, please. You're faster than me.
Not faster, just reckless with cutting boards.
Still faster.
So, pancakes it is.
Pancakes it is.
Great. I'll grab the mixing bowl.
Wait, did you buy more eggs yesterday?
Yes, the big carton.
Good. We'll need at least 4.
4? How many pancakes are you planning?
Enough to make us forget it's Monday.
That's a lot of pancakes.
Trust the process.
I always do.
Okay, I'm whisking.
And I'm brewing. Perfect teamwork.
You know, breakfast is the only time we actually slow down.
True. It feels peaceful.
Maybe we should make this a habit.
Breakfast dates every day?
Why not?
I like the sound of that.
The batter looks good.
Coffee is almost done.
Did you grind fresh beans?
Always. That's the secret.
You should teach a master class.
Lesson 1. Don't buy cheap beans.
Noted.
Should I heat the pan?
Yes, medium heat.
Got it.
And grab the butter, too.
On it?
This kitchen smells amazing already.
That's the coffee.
Pancake smell is coming.
Best combination ever.
Okay, first scoop going on the pan.
That sound is satisfying.
Little sizzling magic.
How long do you cook each side?
About 2 minutes. Flip when bubbles appear.
Like tiny warning signs.
Pretty much.
I put your coffee on the table.
Thank you. Let me just flip this.
Nice flip. Very professional.
I try.
Are we adding cinnamon today?
Maybe just a pinch on top.
Sounds good.
Okay, first pancake is ready.
I'll stack it.
Do you want your fruit mixed in or on top?
On top. Makes me feel fancy.
Fancy Jake?
Don't tease me.
Never.
Need help with the next batch?
Sure. You pour, I flip.
Deal.
Careful. That's too much batter.
Oops. Jumbo pancake.
That one's yours.
Fair enough.
These are coming out really fluffy.
Must be the extra whisking.
Or the Monday magic.
Monday has magic?
Rarely, but today, yes.
I'll take it.
Okay, next flip.
Still impressive.
Thank you, chef.
You're the chef. I'm the assistant.
We're co-chefs.
Agreed.
How's the coffee?
Strong. Perfect.
Good.
How many more pancakes are we making?
3 more should be enough.
Unless we freeze some for later.
Not a bad idea.
Meal prep breakfast. We're becoming adults.
Finally.
Want me to set the table?
Yes, please.
Plates, forks, napkins, anything else?
A small bowl for the strawberries.
Got it.
Pancakes are almost done.
Table is ready.
Perfect.
Should I warm the plates in the microwave?
That's extra, but I like it.
Warm plates coming right up.
Okay, last pancake is off the pan.
Everything looks amazing.
Let's eat before it gets cold.
Agreed.
Here's your plate.
Thanks. And here's the fruit.
Looks great on top.
Where's your plate?
Right here. I'm adding cinnamon.
Smells incredible.
Breakfast should smell like comfort.
You nailed it then.
So, how's the first bite?
Oh, wow. Perfect texture.
Good.
You should open a breakfast cafe.
Only if you make the coffee.
Deal.
My turn to try.
You'll love it.
Okay, that's really good.
Told you.
Best Monday breakfast ever.
We should do pancakes every Monday.
I'm not against that.
And maybe waffles on Fridays?
Now you're planning a whole menu.
Someone has to.
This is actually a great routine,
Morning rituals keep life balanced.
especially when they taste this good.
I'll drink to that. Coffee cheers?
Cheers.
Anything exciting happening today?
Just meetings. You?
A couple of calls, nothing crazy.
At least we started the day right.
Breakfast sets the tone.
Exactly.
Want more coffee?
Yes, a little refill.
Coming up.
Thanks.
Should we make more pancakes tomorrow?
Maybe something different. Omelets?
I'm good with that.
Breakfast variety keeps us alive.
And happy.
And caffeinated.
The most important part.